Children, I'll discuss some of the word problems of addition of decimal numbers with you, and the remaining numbers you have to do on your own in your rough copy. So first, number 1B. The height of Ram is 1.75 meters. His brother Sham is 0.5 meters taller than Ram. What is the height of Sham? Means the height of Ram is given. राम का हाइट दिया है. His brother's height is not given to you, but it is given that Sham is 0.5 meters taller. Taller means ऊंचा है वो राम से, यानी उसकी हाइट राम से 0.5 मीटर ज़्यादा है. तो ज़्यादा है means his height is more, so you have to add 0.5 with 1.75 to find the height of Sham. क्योंकि वो लंबा है उससे, तो कितना लंबा है दिया है, तो टोटल वो उसका हाइट तुम्हें निकालना है. सो द स्टेटमेंट्स विल बी हाइट ऑफ राम इज 1.75 मीटर. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज श्याम इज टॉलर देन राम बाय, यानी वो कितना लंबा है, 0.50. You see here decimal places in the first number is 2. So I told you before adding you have to convert the decimal number into like decimals. So as the maximum decimal places are 2, here decimal place is 1, so you have to put one more 0 on the right hand side to make it 2. So you see here I have written, then the third one is height of Sham is equals to, then you have to add 5, then 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, so the height of Sham is 2.25 meter. Then the next number is D. A milkman sold 26.55 liters milk on the first day, 35.755 liters milk on the second day, and 42.5 liter milk on the third day. Find the total quantity of milk sold on 3 days. I already told you in the word problem, you find the word which defines or which tells you which operation you are going to do. Here you see you have to find the total quantity, यानी कुल मिला के कितना quantity इन 3 दिनों में milk बेचा गया. So obviously you have to add. So this number you have to write the statements as quantity of milk sold on first day. Here you have to write the numbers and the statements, quantity of milk sold on second day, quantity of milk sold on third day, and the fourth statement is total quantity of milk sold. Here when you arrange these decimal numbers in columns, see you have to convert them into like decimals. Here 2 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, here 3 decimal places. So सबको तुमको 3 decimal place लाना है. So here you have to add one more 0 on the right hand side, here 2 more zeros I have already arranged here, and you can add after that, and your answer will be 104.805 liters milk was sold in 3 days. Don't forget to mention the units. Then the last one is Anjali spent for 25 rupees on ice cream, 17 rupees 50 paise on chips, and 12 rupees 50 paise on a pen. Find the total money spent by Anjali. Again here total money spent, यानी कुल मिला के कितना खर्च की है. Again you have to add, and the statements will be cost of ice cream, cost of chips, cost of pen, and the values you can write against these statements. Don't forget to write rupees. Then 25 rupees you have to convert into like decimal. This is whole number part and decimal part is not given, that means 25 rupees 00 paise. Then 17 rupees 50 paise, 12 rupees 50 paise, then addition, and you have to find the answer 55 rupees. And the last answer is Anjali spent 55 rupees in all. Then the remaining questions, number A, let me discuss, but you have to write your own statements and do it in rough copy. Easy है, इसी के जैसा ही है. Number A, Mr. Kumar purchased a sari for 485 rupees 55 paise, a shirt for 269 rupees 40 paise, and a tie for 65 rupees 25 paise. Find the total money spent by Mr. Kumar. Again total money, कुल मिला के. So here also you are going to add, and your statement will be cost of a sari, cost of a shirt, cost of a tie, and the fourth one is total money spent. So this number is just like this Anjali problem that I have already discussed. You can do like that. Then B we have already discussed. C, a shopkeeper had 32.5 kg apples, 25.25 kg mangoes and 9.75 kg pears. What is the total weight of fruits he had? शॉपकीपर ने इतने सारे फ्रूट्स उनके पास थे, तो उनके पास टोटल कितना, अगेन टोटल वर्ड, सो यू हैव टू ऐड एंड योर स्टेटमेंट विल बी क्वांटिटी, और यू कैन राइट वेट ऑफ एप्पल्स क्योंकि ये केजी है, वजन है, देन वेट ऑफ मैंगोज, वेट ऑफ पेयर्स. हियर मैक्सिमम 2 decimal places are there, so you had to make it 50. Here all rest 2 are already in the like decimal form, or 2 decimal places are already there. So in this way you can solve all these word problems.